Good evening, you're with News at Agenda. I'm Mazdas Gopalakrishnan and this is News at a Glance. Viewers, from Karnataka to Uttar Pradesh, leaders of the India bloc who speak their minds are given one reward: directions to the exit door. Today it was SP leader Pooja Pal, who was expelled for praising Yogi for his instant justice model. Are the proponents of free speech punishing those who practice what the India bloc preaches? That's the big debate on the News at Agenda at 10 p.m. And on the case tonight, we put the focus on US President Donald Trump's meeting with Russian President Vladimir Putin. At a time when the US is looking to inflict damage on the Indian economy with Trump's tariffs under the garb of acting against Russia's allies, we've seen how Standard & Poor's has upgraded the rating of the Indian economy, which makes one wonder, has Modinomics trumped the tariff tantrums? Viewers, the India bloc has often called itself the proponent of free speech, and yes, they're certainly right in doing that. But do they apply the same yardstick to themselves? We're asking you this today because over the last few days, we've seen how a Congress minister and an SP MLA was shown the door solely for speaking out their mind. Pooja Pal, an MLA now expelled from Samajwadi Party, a woman leader whose husband was gunned down by gangster Atiq Ahmed. She stood in the assembly and thanked Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath for delivering justice. She hailed him for his zero-tolerance policy towards crime and criminals. Moments later, she was shown the door by her party. The expulsion letter was signed by Akhilesh Yadav himself. This is not just punishment, it is a message. In Samajwadi Party, you can weep for the mafia to appease your vote bank, but you can't applaud their fall.
मैं तो वन डे से जब से अतीक अहमद का खात्मा हुआ, जब से उसको मिट्टी में मिलाया गया, मैं तब से मैंने माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी की तारीफ की। मैंने क्या गलती की? कल मैंने माफिया अतीक अहमद पे बोला, कल मैंने अपने निजी जीवन पे बोला, कल मैंने अपने संघर्षों के बारे में बोला और अतीक अहमद माफिया करके बोला, तो इनको कहीं ना कहीं बुरा लगा, इस वजह से निकाला गया। पहले निकाल देते ना। कै साल हो गए राज्यसभा का चुनाव? कै साल हो गए? आप मुझसे पूछ रही हैं, हो गए ना साल 2 साल, तो पहले निकाल देते। कल जब मैंने अतीक अहमद का यहाँ पे नाम लिया तो क्या तभी निकालना था? पहले मैं एक पीड़ित महिला थी और मैं पत्नी थी, और राजू पाल जी कह के नहीं गए थे कि मेरे मरने के बाद तुम विधायक बनना है और तुम मेरे लिए लड़ना। ये जो पीडीए का नारा दे रहे हैं, आज तो एकदम साबित कर दिया कि पीडीए के खिलाफ थे, हैं और रहेंगे।
But this isn't the only instance of intolerance, viewers. From Rahul Gandhi's Congress to Akhilesh Yadav's Samajwadi Party, the so-called saviors of democracy have one rule: toe the line or face the axe. Today, Pooja Pal joins the list of opposition leaders punished for speaking the truth. Her crime is that she was thanking the CM for burying Mafia Don who murdered her husband. And this really shows that in Congress as well, earlier we have seen how dissenting voices have been benched. In Samajwadi Party, praise for a political rival is treason. Let's take you through some of these recent examples. There is the example of Shashi Tharoor, Congress's member of parliament, who in fact put the nation first. He's been sidelined by the leadership of the Congress party. Then there is Manish Tiwari, a Congress member of parliament, who in fact come out to speak about talking about Bharat or Bharat Ki Baat. He was benched during the Sindoor debate. Then there is K.N. Rajanna, a mantri who had to resign after being pulled up because he criticized the vote theft raga and in fact was eventually asked to step down. Anand Sharma is another Congress veteran who quit as the Congress's Foreign Affairs Department chief. He was very much part of the Operation Sindoor delegation as well. And now Pooja Pal, Samajwadi Party MLA, who's praised Yogi for Atiq's action, has been expelled from Akhilesh Yadav's Samajwadi Party. Debate coming up on the other side.
You're watching the News Hour at 10, debate number 1, on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
Let me introduce our panelists who are now joining us. With us is Anila Singh, spokesperson of the BJP. We also have Dr. Anand Raghunathan, who's an author, joining us. Tariq Khan is national spokesperson of Samajwadi Party. We have Dr. M.H. Khan, political analyst, joining us on the show as well. Tariq Khan, let me start with you first. The question that many are asking is, what was wrong with a lady who is a widow, who has lost her husband, and thanking the Chief Minister for what she believes is the delivery of justice in her case? Why is that being seen as an anti-party activity? And should that lead to expulsion?
Okay, she thanked for delivering justice. That means that killing was a justice. And that has been done by the government. Simple. And there was no involvement of these three guys, first of all. That should be accepted. And that has been accepted on the floor of the House. That is clear that that was a killing, whether he was involved or not. But that was a killing by the government or Yogi. He thanks Yogi for killing at the floor of the House. This is quite clear. We shouldn't discuss on this, first of all. Second, she had a cross-voting. She has a cross-voting in last year of Rajya Sabha elections. In Rajya Sabha elections, she has done cross-voting. So she had a line against our party. She already had a line which is against our party. Point number 2. Point number 3. That was that Raju Pal murder that was a case of 2005. FIR against Atiq Ahmed and all 5 or 10 people was there. Nobody has quashed this FIR like Yogi and Maurya ji has done, quashed all the FIRs. And point number 4, all those things had been known by Pooja Pal when she had become MLA from Samajwadi Party. Why didn't she rejected the ticket? Why didn't she have been roaming here and behind Samajwadi Party to have a ticket and to become MLA? Now she has taken a complete U-turn, and I'm at least.
Okay, I want Anila Singh to come in on this.
BJP
I don't know what you mean by quashing of an FIR in this particular case. Atiq Ahmed is a well-known criminal. And, when criminals like that have FIRs and then like that, it's not very easy to get rid of it. There are dozens of cases that Atiq has been facing for quite some time now. But she has been engaging in anti-party activities for some time, Anila Singh. Says Tariq Khan, it's not happening for the first time. Your response to what he has stated?
My reverence to all, and I am aghast the way Samajwadi Party, political head and their party leaders and the spokesperson and other people from Samajwadi Party, they are behaving. They are attacking one poor woman who fought the election, won the election, became MLA. But if I talk about the wife of Raju Pal who was murdered, she kept on fighting to get the justice done. But this was not being tolerated by Samajwadi Party when she stood in Vidhan Sabha in Assembly and she praised Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. She did not praise Bharatiya Janata Party, but she praised Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. And that was not being digested by Samajwadi Party. They threw her out. A woman who comes from so-called PDA definition of Samajwadi Party, and they say that we are standing with the women or the pichhda in Uttar Pradesh. This is the right example which shows that Samajwadi Party is not with the women, not with the pichhda, not with the Dalits. And if I talk about the Raju Pal case, like Raju Pal case underscores the alarming nexus between the politics and the crime. We know very well that how the protection was given to these mafia dons, whether we talk about Atiq, Ashraf or the Ansari, and say any of the dons and mafias here, Mukhtar Ansari. So the thing is, when Samajwadi Party comes to know that now this MLA of ours is standing and praising Chief Minister, the only action which we can take is to throw out. They threw her out.
And Tariq Khan, I want you to comment on one point. The point is this, that, repeatedly, there are criminal elements. Earlier, we all know what has happened in the case of Mukhtar Ansari, in the case of Atiq Ahmed as well. These are individuals that your party seems to be backing. Why is it that it's so difficult to come out and call out such individuals who are facing serious cases, who are known as mafia dons?
According to BJP, justice means killing somebody on the road.
Nobody is saying that here. No, don't misquote. Nobody has justified that.
Justice means,
this is what,
Pooja Pal has said,
sir, when a woman's husband is gone, she believes the person who killed her husband is no more. She's perceiving that as justice. Do not connect that with the government. Nobody is here saying that what has happened is right or wrong. No one's passing that judgment for the moment. Let's not jump into conclusions here.
You have to let me speak. This shall not be the way. She said, ki mitti mein mila diya, and whole house has clapped, accepted it. Yes, that's all right. Yogi has killed Atiq Ahmed. These three guys, Lovelace, Sunny.
Sir, what about the house that was auctioned? Could that not be seen as mitti mein mila diya?
It's all right. मिट्टी में मिलाइए. Anybody has done anything wrong, kill him. There is no law. It's all right. Kill him. Kill him. Yogi will say that I'll take the revenge because Yogi is himself has just pronounced himself that he is justice in himself. So everybody asking.
Okay, this is all extra constitutional. This is all extra constitutional, Dr. Anand Ranganathan. This is not acceptable. So this is the argument of Tariq Khan. Is the government taking onus then for the killing of this individual, which we all know happened under suspicious circumstances? That's the question of Tariq Khan. Respond.
No, good evening, Madhav, and good evening to my fellow panelists. Tariq Bhai is absolutely right. Gangsters की जगह तो असेंबली में है, तो ये एकदम गलत है. मुख्तार अंसारी हुए, इनके हुए, आतीक साहब हुए, ये तो exalted member of Tariq Bhai. I did not interrupt. Please, देखिए, एक मिनट सुन लीजिए, मैं आपके आ रहा हूँ. Madhav, मैंने I didn't even start.
No, let him speak. Now let him speak. Now let him speak.
Madhav, this is very unfair.
Tariq Khan, he didn't interrupt you. Allow him to speak. I have asked the question that you have asked. So please have the courage to listen also. You will get a turn to come in.
Yeah.
Dr. Ranganathan.
Tariq Bhai, please don't do this. We have good relation. Please सुन लीजिए. Madhav, can I please continue? As it is,
Yes,
I get
continue.
2 minutes.
Please continue.
Thank you. So I think Tariq Bhai is absolutely right. It is absolutely wrong for criminals to face justice because criminals must face elections which they will win if they get a Samajwadi Party ticket. If you don't believe me, I will ask one yes or no question to Tariq Bhai. Is it true, Tariq Bhai, that Mukhtar Ansari was your MLA and he was facing 61 serious criminal charges and was convicted 4 times in horrendous murderous crimes? 4 times. Yes or no?
Who is Brijesh Singh? Just explain.
अब ये
and
मतलब the answer to नहीं, एक मिनट आप दीजिए.
अरे आप जवाब दीजिए, मैं पहले से बोल रहा हूँ.
Sir, we will ask Brijesh Singh, but Brijesh Singh question will be given. First to answer the question that has been asked on Atik.
मेरे सवाल
Please answer the question.
No, let's not get into whataboutery here. Answer the question. I will then pose the question to BJP. The topic of discussion today is Atik. Answer the question on Atik, Tariq Khan.
Who is now roaming around? Who is Abhay Singh? Who is roaming around?
Can I please come back?
We have explained.
All will be answered, sir. First you answer the question of Atik.
आप पहले मैंने पूछा ना, who is Brijesh Singh? How many cases are there? How many cases are there? And his wife is MLC. From where? From where? Tell all those things. 150 cases. 150. Why you are not taking name of Brijesh Singh?
Sir, one criminal act or one criminal individual cannot justify another. We are discussing the specific case. We are discussing a specific case of Ms. Pal over here. Let us stick to that for the moment. Dr. Ranganathan, and then I go across to other panelists.
Thank you. Because now all my 2 minutes, Tariq Bhai has taken. I don't know, this is very unfortunate. But anyway, let me come back to the topic at hand now. I hope I will not be interrupted. Madhav, everyone is a fascist till the real fascist arrives. You saw what happens when the Congress was condemning the treatment of women in Manipur. And one Congress MLA in Rajasthan stood up and said, हमें अपने गिरेबान में भी देखना चाहिए. रातों रात he was sacked. You know what happened last week? When Mr. Ramanna said, we should look inwards as well when you talk about electoral fraud. Apparently, Rahul Gandhi told Siddaramaiah, don't just ask him to resign. Sack him. And today what has happened here with the legislator of Samajwadi Party? Immediately sacked. This is the so-called freedom of speech and of expression. But again, Madhav, people like you are branded Godi media. I want to ask your erstwhile colleagues who are rent-a-penny YouTubers and who purport to stand up for freedom of speech and expression. आज वो सारे कहाँ हैं? कहाँ हैं वो आज सारे? समाजवादी पार्टी और कांग्रेस के बारे में बोलते रहते हैं और बीजेपी को कहते रहते हैं कि फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच आप वो करते हैं, स्टाइफल करते हैं. Where are they now?
Absolutely.
You are the people who get maligned and they are the people who stand up for freedom of speech and expression. They say, we speak truth to power, truth to power. That means only Modi is in power because they speak truth only to Modi. Well, what about when Mamta does all this stifling of freedom of speech? When Akhilesh does it? When Stalin does it? Do you know, a YouTuber asked a controversial question to an interviewee. Police from Tamil Nadu came all the way from Noida to arrest him, took him back. This is the freedom of speech and expression that is held in these states. And these are the people who accuse others.
Dr. Image Khan, would you like to respond to that question? Because there are many who are asking that the same standards as far as freedom of expression must be asked, whether it is Delhi, whether it is Lucknow, whether it is Bengaluru. स्टैंडर्ड और यार्डस्टिक तो एक ही होना चाहिए. योर रिस्पॉन्स सर.
नहीं, मुझे आप हिंदी में बताइए, मैं हिंदी में बात करूंगा.
सर सिंपल सवाल है कि यहाँ पे फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन, अभिव्यक्ति की आजादी की बात होती है.
हाँ.
लेकिन चाहे जो कर्नाटक के मंत्री के.एन. राजन्ना है, जिन्होंने वोट चोरी के एलिगेशंस को एक्सपोज किया कुछ दिन पहले, उनको निकाल दिया गया कैबिनेट से. चाहे पूजा पाल की बात कर रहे हैं, जब वो आके चीफ मिनिस्टर को अपने निजी मामले में असेंबली में थैंक करती है कि मुझे जस्टिस मिली है, तो वहां भी फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन खत्म हो गई है अगर उनपे इस तरह की एक्सपल्शन की एक्शन ली जाएगी.
जी जी, नहीं, ये तो आप बात सही कह रहे हैं. इस तरह की बातें जो सामने आती हैं, पार्टी में जो रहता है पार्टी की नीतियों के हिसाब से चलता है. अगर पार्टी की नीतियों के खिलाफ जाएगा तो उसको पार्टी निष्कासित करती है. हर पार्टी करती है, कौन सी पार्टी ऐसी नहीं जो करती है. अब अतीक अहमद की बात कर रहे थे, अभी आप अतीक अहमद की बात कर रहे थे. क्रिमिनल, हार्ड क्रिमिनल थे, तो क्या मतलब पुलिस कस्टडी में मारा जाएगा किसी को?
बिल्कुल गलत था सर.
न्यायालय बंद कर दिया जाए,
कोई जस्टिफाई नहीं कर रहा.
कचहरी
बिल्कुल
बंद कर
गलत
दी
था,
जाए.
बिल्कुल गलत था. लेकिन
गलत नहीं, कचहरी बंद कर दी जाए.
नहीं, बिल्कुल
नहीं,
आपकी बात से मैं बिल्कुल सहमत हूं. ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए.
लेकिन
लेकिन
जो कहा,
लेकिन सर जिस महिला ने अपने पति को खोया है,
नहीं बात,
उनको कहीं ना कहीं अगर उनको लग रहा है कि उनके साथ इंसाफ हुआ है तो वो ना बोले.
नहीं, ठीक है. नहीं, बात आपकी मैं समझ रहा हूं. अब उस पर महिला पाइए, ये जो महिला एमएलए हैं, तो इनके साथ अगर किसी ने न्याय करने की कोशिश की है, तो अगर वो कह दे रही है कि हाँ हमारे साथ इन्होंने योगी आदित्यनाथ जी ने न्याय किया है, तो इसमें कोई गलत बात नहीं है. लेकिन सवाल पहले उठता यह है कि ये पूजा पाल समाजवादी पार्टी को जानते हुए भी कि समाजवादी पार्टी अतीक अहमद और फलां जितने भी आप नाम लिए हैं उसको पोषक रहे हैं, तो उनके वहां से टिकट क्यों लिया
सर? अगर
टिकट लिया तो फिर आपने बेईमानी क्यों किया?
एमएच खान जी,
वोट क्यों दिया?
कि आप जानते हैं कि मुलायम सिंह यादव जी ने प्रधानमंत्री के बारे में क्या बोला था पार्लियामेंट में, कि वो फिर से आए. तो इस यार्डस्टिक से तो आपको मुलायम सिंह यादव को भी सस्पेंड कर देना चाहिए पार्टी से.
हाँ, फिर ठीक,
यही यार्डस्टिक यूज करिए, यही पैमाना यूज करिए ना. फिर नहीं,
मुलायम सिंह यादव खुद ही पार्टी थे.
उनको
कौन सस्पेंड करेगा?
ओहो, वो खुद ही पार्टी थे.
वो उनको कौन सस्पेंड करेगा?
सर तालिया.
वो खुद ही मालिक
है, वो खुद तय करेंगे.
मालिक पार्टी,
तो पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट तो आप कुछ भी करिए, बाकी लोगों पे ये रूल लागू नहीं होगा.
बोर्ड के चेयरमैन,
देखिए, आप जहां से लाइन आप जहां खड़े हो जाते हैं वहीं से लाइन शुरू हो जाती है. फेमस वर्ड्स यूज्ड इन अ फिल्म. डॉक्टर रंगनाथन, योर रिस्पॉन्स.
देखिए, बहुत महीनों बाद एक बिल्कुल ही जिसे कहते हैं ना सुधरे हुए एनालिस्ट डॉक्टर साहब मिले हैं. बिल्कुल हिपोक्रेट नहीं है, जो इनके मन में आया है एकदम सच बोल दिया. इवन यू आर शॉक्ड बाय इट. आई रियली एडमायर सच अलैक्रिटी. लेकिन मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा कि इन्होंने कहा देखिए पार्टी लाइन से अलग हुई, डॉक्टर साहब ने कहा, तो उनको हटा दिया गया. तो मैं ये इनसे सीधा पूछना चाहता हूं, क्या आजम खान जी का कहना जया प्रदा जी के लिए कि ये खाकी अंडरवेयर पहनती हैं और नचनिया है, क्या ये पार्टी लाइन है? क्योंकि उन्हें तो हटाया नहीं गया.
रिस्पॉन्ड खान साहब, बोलिए.
नहीं हटा गया, गलत किया गया. मैं तो साथ तो कह रहा हूँ,
ये तो कमाल का.
मैं कह रहा हूँ कि ये गलत किया गया.
गुड.
ये आजम खान साहब को नहीं बोलना चाहिए था. आजम खान को नहीं बोलना चाहिए कि अंडरवियर.
एक सेकंड.
नहीं, बस बात करूंगा तो सही करूंगा. बात करूंगा तो सही करूंगा, गलत बात नहीं करूंगा.
प्रिंसिपल पोजीशन.
आपको जवाब दूंगा उसका.
You are taking a principal position and I see and this is actually very encouraging because आपने जो stand लिया है, this is certainly a very progressive stand that there has to be a same yardstick for all. And I want Tariq Khan to answer. Tariq Khan, by your yardstick, Azam Khan is wrong. No action taken. By your yardstick, Mulayam Singh Yadav is wrong.
What
For praising the Prime Minister. No action on him, obviously.
If Nishikant Dubey has said कि जो Supreme Court है गृह युद्ध कराएगी, that is a party
Again,
line.
what about
I don't know.
Tariq Khan, why don't you answer the question? As I've said, I will pose your questions to the BJP. Please answer the issue at hand.
I'll not speak. I'll speak. Ranganathan, please.
Sir, address the issue, Tariq Khan. Why are you running away from addressing the issue?
Mr. Ranganathan, go ahead.
अब आपके पास जवाब नहीं है तो
Sir, आपके पास जवाब है तो दीजिए. We are giving you the chance. Do you not want to speak?
Thank you very
he
much.
doesn't want to speak.
You don't want to speak.
Give my time.
Okay, Anila Singh. Anila Singh, the BJP is also hypocritical. There are similar criminal elements in the BJP. That is the argument coming in from Tariq Khan's side. And similar statements have also been made by other leaders of BJP, is what he says. Your response, Anila Singh.
Madhav, I was listening to Samajwadi Party spokesperson, and I'm listening to Samajwadi Party since Pooja Pal has been thrown out from this particular Lal Topi ki Gundagardi wali party. And according to them, who is victim? According to them, victim is Atiq, victim is Ashraf, victim is Farhan Ahmed, Abdul Kabir, Ranjit Pal, Israr Ahmed, Javed, Gulshan and Abid. And I'm very proud of Rukhsana and Sadiq. They were the two witnesses. They were giving life threats, but they said, no, we are going to be witness, and they stood in the court and they told everything, whatever they saw. And whose government was there? Samajwadi Party's government was there. I'm not going to beat around the bush. I can quote you 110 examples from the Congress Party, from the BSP, from the Samajwadi Party, and as well as from other political parties, including me. But today we are discussing the case of Pooja Pal, a woman. And I am ready to do the comparative analysis in between the Samajwadi Party and Bharatiya Janata Party, that how Samajwadi Party has always ridiculed women and how Bharatiya Janata Party has always empowered the women. This is the basic difference in between the two political parties. And the live example we have shown. I am not here to laugh. I'm not going to quote other examples here. But I have a straight question from Samajwadi Party. Her sole thing was that she stood in the assembly and she said that the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh gave justice to her. यही उसकी सजा हो गई, सच बोलना। क्या किसी भी प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री का ये कर्तव्य नहीं होता है कि व्यक्ति कहीं भी किसी भी राजनीतिक दल से कोई भी आ रहा हो, अगर वो उसके प्रदेश का नागरिक है तो वो उसको न्याय दिलवाए? And this is what Yogi Adityanath ji did. And this is what the court also did.
I want Mr. Khan to respond to that. Coming to Dr. Raghunathan. Dr. Khan, जवाब दीजिए अनिला सिंह का।
देखिए, मैं यही नहीं, अनिला सिंह जी जो कह रही हैं वो तो एक तरफा बात बोल रही हैं। वो क्या कोई संविधान की शपथ लेकर के, संविधान हमारी आपकी बात नहीं मैं कर रहा हूं, क्या कोई संविधान की शपथ लेकर के कह सकता है कि मिट्टी में मिला दूंगा? क्या कोई संविधान की कसम लेकर कह सकता है विधानसभा में खड़ा होके कि गोमती नगर में जो लड़कियों को छेड़ रहा था उसमें एक यादव था, एक मुसलमान था? क्या संविधान की कसम लेकर वो कह सकता है कि जो अभी मकबरे का मसला हुआ उसमें कहा नाम ना पढ़ो? क्या संविधान की कसम खा के कह सकता है कि दलित हनुमान जी दलित थे, बैकवर्ड थे और वो आदिवासी थे? अली तुम्हारे, बजरंग बली हमारे, ये कह सकता है क्या? मैं तो कह रहा हूं अली भी हमारे, बजरंग बली भी हमारे। ये संवैधानिक पद पर बैठा हुआ व्यक्ति ये नहीं कह सकता है। इसमें किसी ने आवाज उठाई क्या? नहीं, कोई आवाज उठा रहा है। और विधानसभा में खड़े होकर कहते हैं योगी आदित्यनाथ जी मिट्टी में मिला दूंगा, तो कानून कहां जाएगा? तो कोर्ट कहां जाएगी? कहां जाएगी कोर्ट? डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट कहां जाएगी? हाई कोर्ट कहां जाएगी? और सुप्रीम कोर्ट कहां जाएगी? जब तुम ही मिट्टी में मिला दोगे, तुम ही खाक कर दोगे, तो फिर कोर्ट में क्या काम बचा?
डॉक्टर रंगनाथन
बंद कर दीजिए।
it's a valid point. I'm going Dr. Rangnathan to respond to you on that. Dr. Rangnathan.
हाँ माधव, पहले तो जो है ये डॉक्टर साहब जो है, डॉक्टर खान, इनको आप बंद करके रखिएगा, ये जाने ना पाए। बड़ी मुश्किल से मुद्दत के बाद इतने क्लैरिटी वाला कोई पैनलिस्ट आता है। इनका एड्रेस मुझे दे दीजिएगा, मैं इनको मैसूर पाक भिजवाऊंगा। इन्होंने आज दिल खुश कर दिया। लेकिन मैं अनिला जी से बात करना चाहता हूं। देखिए अनिला जी, आप जो कह रही हैं समाजवादी पार्टी को एक्यूज कर रही है, मैंने खुद एक्यूज किया है, लेकिन आपका ये कहना कि बीजेपी ऐसा नहीं करती सरासर गलत है। हर क्रिमिनली एक्यूज आदमी हर पार्टी में है। और जैसे आप कह रहे हैं कि विमेन के अगेंस्ट ही किया है, मैं आपसे एक चीज पूछना चाहता हूं अनिला जी, आपसे डायरेक्टली पूछाता हूं बिकॉज आई रियली रिस्पेक्ट यू। आप मुझे बताइए नुपुर शर्मा की क्या गलती थी जो बीजेपी ने उनको सस्पेंड किया? बताइए।
डॉक्टर रंगनाथन, जब मैं उदाहरण दे रही थी अलग अलग राजनीतिक दल के, at that very moment I had said that the political party, whether Samajwadi Party, Congress Party, BSP or any of the political party, including mine, I said that in very clear words. Perhaps you missed that. I am a person who loves to speak straightforward.
Please tell us, what was the fault of Nupur Sharma?
Okay.
What was the fault of Nupur
I am
Sharma?
not here to say anything about Nupur Sharma.
Okay. I think we are veering off. Very respectfully to all of you, we are veering off from the subject of debate. Tariq Khan had got upset, नाराज होकर अब वापस भी आ गए debate पे. Tariq Khan, while you were not there, those questions were asked to the BJP, and you would have just heard Dr. Raghunathan also posed the same questions. But the questions for Samajwadi Party remain unanswered. Would you like to address those issues?
First of all, something is being said by Azam Khan is a party line, and something is being said by a minister in Madhya Pradesh is not a party line. कि जो फौजी जो सूफिया कुरैशी थी वो आतंकवादी की बहन थी, that was not a party line. ये कैसे हो सकता है? It's injustice. तो आजम खान की अगर पार्टी लाइन है, I'll accept it. तो आप भी सूफिया कुरैशी आतंकवादी थी, आतंकवादियों की बहन थी, आप भी एक्सेप्ट कर लीजिए. निशिकांत दुबे का स्टेटमेंट आप भी एक्सेप्ट कर लीजिए. जब निशिकांत दुबे कहते हैं कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट गृह युद्ध कराएगा, कर लीजिए, ठीक है, प्रोवाइडेड. तो ये व्हाट अबाउट ये आप कर रहे हैं, पार्शियल आप हो रहे हैं. मुझे ये बात कहने का मौका तो मिलना चाहिए. कैसे हो सकता है ये? अगर कर रहे हैं तो सबको मान लीजिए. फिर अगर वो पार्टी की लाइन है या मुलायम सिंह की बात कही हुई पार्टी की लाइन है, ठीक है भाई. और ये लोग कौन है? ये लोग पार्टी के अपने से ब्लॉक के अध्यक्ष हैं. या कंगना रनावत के कितने स्टेटमेंट है, कल मुर्गा बोल दिया, क्या बोल दिया, पता नहीं क्या.
ओके, अनिला सिंह क्विक रिस्पॉन्स. या
What about
मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ यहाँ पर, क्योंकि समाजवादी पार्टी जो है अलग अलग राजनेताओं के विषय में यहाँ पे चर्चा कर रही है. अगर मैं यहाँ चर्चा करने बैठ जाऊं कि मुलायम सिंह यादव जी ने कहा था कि लड़के हैं, गलती तो हो ही जाती है, लड़कों से तो गलती हो ही जाती है, क्या वो आपकी पार्टी लाइन है? क्या वो आपकी पार्टी लाइन है कि जो एक इनोसेंट कार्यसेवक थे अयोध्या में आपने गोलियों से भुनवा दिया था, ये आपकी पार्टी लाइन है? आपकी पार्टी लाइन यही है कि अतीक अशरफ जैसे, मुख्तार जैसे लोगों को आप राजनीतिक संरक्षण देंगे और अपनी राजनीति चलाएंगे? क्या ये आपकी पार्टी लाइन है? इसीलिए मैं बार बार कह रही थी.
Okay, Dr. Khan, there is hypocrisy in every party. There are criminal elements जो हर राजनीतिक दल में है, और जो इस तरह की जब डिबेट सामने आती है, doesn't this bring out the hypocrisy? क्या ये hypocrisy बाहर नहीं आती है? सारे पॉलिटिकल पार्टी जो एक चीज प्रीच करते हैं लेकिन प्रैक्टिस कोई नहीं करता, चाहे फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच हो, चाहे क्लीनिंग अप ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स फ्रॉम क्रिमिनल्स की बात हो, सारे पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज आर फाउंड वांटिंग.
मैं एक आपको एग्जाम्पल देना चाहता हूं. एग्जाम्पल साफ है और ऑन द कार्ड है. आजमगढ़ में एक यादव समाज के एमपी थे, बसपा के एमपी थे, और वहां जमीनों पर कब्जा कर रहे थे. वहां का डीएम, वहां का एसपी बोल नहीं पा रहा था, और शिकायत मायावती जी के पास आई. मायावती जी ने उनसे कहा कि उनको फोन करके कहा कि तुमसे मिलना है, मेरे चाय पे घर पे आ जाओ तुम. जब चाय पीने घर पे गए वो, तो एसएसपी लखनऊ को फोन किया मायावती जी ने कि ये एमपी हमारा जो है ये गुंडई कर रहा है, वहां दबंगई कर रहा है, आओ इसको ले जाओ. है किसी पार्टी में दम, है किसी नेता में दम कि अपने सिटिंग एमपी को गिरफ्तार करा दे?
सर, ये आपने डिबेट को
अपने सिटिंग एमपी को गिरफ्तार कराया.
आपने नया डिबेट शुरू कर दिया. ओके, 10 सेकंड्स डॉक्टर रघुनाथन, आउट ऑफ टाइम. 10 सेकंड्स.
हाँ, देखिए, मतलब इतना इन पे गर्व हो रहा था, लेकिन सारा मिट्टी में मिला दिया, क्योंकि बीएसपी के नेता थे कुरैशी जो मेरठ से खड़े हुए थे. उन्होंने कहा था मुझे इलेक्ट करोगे मैं 51 करोड़ दूंगा, जो कि चार्ली हेब्डो के जर्नलिस्ट को बिहेड करेगा.
Okay, let's leave it there. A lot of controversial statements there. Is there a lot of hypocrisy? Is there not a lot of hypocrisy? We leave that to our viewers to judge as far as our political class is concerned. Anila Singh, Dr. Anand Raghunathan, Tariq Khan, Dr. M.H. Khan, thank you so much for joining us this evening.